Music. Capital One versus M&T Bank, which is right for *U*? We'll compare these two banks to help you decide. Check the description for links to both. First up, Capital One. Known for its digital-first approach, Capital One offers no-fee checking, high-yield savings, and diverse credit cards. If online banking and a top-tier mobile app are your priorities, Capital One excels. Easily manage your money, transfer funds, and use budgeting tools right from your phone. Competitive interest rates on savings accounts are another plus. However, limited physical branches might be a drawback. Now for M&T Bank. With a strong physical presence, especially in the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic, M&T offers a more traditional banking experience. Choose from personal and business banking, loans, and investments. Numerous branches and ATMs are a major advantage for those who prefer in-person service. M&T also provides competitive checking and savings accounts, but fees can be higher than Capital One's. While M&T's mobile app is functional, it's not as feature-rich as Capital One's. So, which bank wins? Capital One is ideal for tech-savvy users who prioritize online convenience, low fees, and high-yield savings. Prefer in-person service and branch access? M&T Bank might be a better fit. Learn more using the links below.